So by the mercy of Vrindavan, Prabodhananda Saraswati gets an internal vision. The term is called Sporti, of Radha Govinda's Madhurya Lila. Radharani is picking flowers to decorate Krishna. As soon as Radharani touches the creepers, they automatically blossom with flowers. That's very nice. Mystic power, mystic cities. I remember when I grew up, they had all these science fiction movies and stuff. And I always thought, well, when I grow up, I'd like to have the power, if I just touch someone, they can disappear. Like ray gun type of thing, they evaporate or whatever. So then I thought it'd be so nice if someone you don't like, you just talk. Little kids have funny ideas sometimes. So that's so that when Radharani would touch the plants, they would. That's what this verse is saying. Radha kara avachita. When she would touch with her hands, they would bloom from the touch of Radharani's hands. Radha kara vachita. The valaries, the vines would horripilate. They would tremble with their sprouts and smile with their flowers. The flowers, oftentimes this analogy is used in describing the environment of Vrindavan, that the flowers are smiling. When Prabhupada was in a garden once, he was visiting a garden in one temple in the West, and they took him to a flower garden, showed him so many roses and whatnot. And he pointed to the flowers and said, these are the smiles, these are Krishna's smiles. Flowers represent Krishna's smiles. So I always remember that when we did Pujari work, lots of flowers, this is all Krishna's smiles. So when Radharani touches the vines, they produce flowers and they cry from the touch because it's like ecstatic, they're in bliss, they're touched by Radharani. So how do we cry with our tears when we're happy or we're sad. And the creepers, they cry, and the creepers, they cry with the nectar in their flowers starts dripping out and down their vines. The nectar, we call it the honey. Eventually it becomes what we call honey. But in the flower, it's a very watery substance called nectar. Madhurika. Not Madhurika. I forget the name, something like that.